Hello decorators, welcome to Decor Lab. In this video, we will be showing you how to create these amazing art columns. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. For the base, we will take the lamp stand. We've removed the top portion of it and only left the bottom base. Here, we are left with a 6-foot stand. To extend it, we will take a 4-foot long metallic rod and we'll curve it at the top with our hands. 2 to 3 2/6 will wrap on one end of the rod so it is thicker, and that will create a great grip. Now, we will insert the rod with covered end inside of our lamp base, and we'll use 1 to 60 to wrap the connection. Now it has extra strong bond. Now to the balloons. Here you have options depending on the look you're going for. You can start with the bigger balloons on the bottom and decrease the size of it going up, or you can create more structured garland. Here I'm using quads of 11 and 5-inch balloons. I'm going to create a structure starting from the bottom and decrease the size of the balloons going all the way up. Or if you are looking for more of an organic art stand, you can create 6 balloon clusters for 3/4 of the stand and then decrease the size of the balloons towards the end, finishing up with 5-inch clusters. And of course, I will always recommend to add 5-inch clusters for fluffy look and organic feel. To transport your art, you can simply cover it with a 90-gallon bag, secure it in one place, and you're good to go. And here you have it, an art column stand. You can use that for so many different occasions, just by itself or as a setup like I did over here. I cannot wait to see what you guys are going to create. So make sure you tag Decor Lab School when you share your creations on social media. And I will see you in the next video.